Hello, my name is Peyton Lee. I'm a fourth year student at Trent University, and I'm currently doing a placement here at the Innovation Cluster in downtown Peterborough. So what I'm currently doing right now is working with businesses that are overseas and building their profiles for when they come to land, as well as organizing their teams. So being able to work at such a fantastic space with so many different pieces of technology has been instrumental for me to see. Like having the area over there for our tech companies to work on virtual reality and AI. So throughout my journey at Trent, I've had a ton of fantastic different courses that have really opened up my eyes into real-world applications of the business world. Some of the courses that I've taken at Trent have allowed me to develop strong skills in organizational analysis and market research. I'm using this directly right now when analyzing the Q4 metrics of the companies that we have here at the Innovation Cluster and seeing how these companies have grown and changed over the last few months. Being able to see all the different aspects that it takes to grow a business really motivates me to want to come here and work every day because I want to follow in some of the footsteps of some of these organizations as well. This placement is going to benefit my future career aspirations because I'm looking to become an entrepreneur. Seeing how these entrepreneurs tackle challenges firsthand is important to me in the next couple of years as I take on a similar path to them in the future.